Welcome to another Get Ready Traders live session. I am your host, Luis Rodriguez, and I am excited you're here. Today we are doing live technical analysis and stepping right into the futures market. Whether it's NASDAQ, gold, US30, or even crypto, we will be looking for the best trading opportunities as they set up in real time. If this is your first time here, buckle up. The market moves really fast, and we'll be breaking it all down with a clear, efficient approach in 90 minutes or less. Before we get started, do me a huge favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this session so other traders like you can join us. I really appreciate your support. All right, the markets are moving, familia, so let's get started and enjoy the session. Good morning, everyone. Your friend, your educator, Luis Rodriguez, live again on a Tuesday. Ready to look at the market and look at trading opportunities, familia. What's going on? All right. Let's talk about what just happened today. We had a situation where Cloudflare it's currently down, and the entire market seems to be shaking right now. Lost all my accounts, all my take profit trader accounts. Take profit trader, it is not loading. So you guys see we got an internal error. Everything that is cloud based, Cloudflare based, it is currently having a problem. The only account that got saved on my end were everything that is on my MT5 platforms. Not sure what happened, but Top Steps accounts seems to be okay. I only had a few because I started trading with Top Step, but my biggest accounts were with Take Profit Trader. I'm talking about profit, not real accounts. I had about 24 of them, 24 150k, and a few 50k. They're all gone. I can't even log into my broker, and this happened because of my copy trader that was also using Cloudflare. We're not able to close my account, and yeah, it was everything like a domino effect. Now did a huge spike, no stop loss, everything gone. Anyways, it happens. It happened to the best of us. The best part is that we know how to get back. It's not the first time this happens, but I had my accounts for such a long time, and they were my big time money making machines because I was literally withdrawing every day, large amount of money, and lucky I got paid over the weekend, which it was super strange for me because Pay Profit Trader never paid on the weekend, at least to me. And you know, on Sunday all these numbers hit on my account, and I was super happy. But now we had this big situation. It's okay. I'll just buy another. I'm gonna start with 4 accounts of 150, and then hopefully by Monday should be bad. They should be good, I guess. I'm not sure. We will see. But what's going on, familia? Hello, Lisa. All right. Now Bill and Ted did pretty good. That's a very positive thing I noticed from last night till until now. This is for funded next. This is another prop from using MetaTrader 5, and on that I am only $700 away of passing this account, all done with automation. So if you were not trading Take Profit Trader, amazing. This just happened to me because I was trading it with my copy trader, which is using Cloudflare. Everything up. Oh yes, man. One of those things. But anyways, just looking at the charts here, everything played out as we talked about yesterday. We saw the reversal, going down, up, going up, and then the market crashing Just doing the Elliott wave that we talk about for C formation. How far the C's can go, well, we can take a look at that. Yep, matching this area here. That's what we talk about. The 127%, right here, right here. C should go all the way here. Okay. I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm not gonna change it. But what I'm gonna do is just clear the charts a little bit because they are very overloaded. I don't like charts with so many lines. It just drives me nuts. Okay. Oh, what did I delete? I want to keep that. And now we understand in the long term where things think this can go, right? But today is Tuesday. Okay, familia? This is for NAS. And right now it's just consolidating a little bit. It's consolidating. If it breaks, it's doing a continuation pattern, a bearish flag. If you break this here, sell. Okay. It's doing a very clean bear flag there. And will the ship sink or die the tide turn? Oh man, I just saw a message here saying that the SP 500 will sink or will ride the tide pretty much. All right, so hello Wayana, hello Esther, Tony, Angie, what's up, Lisa? This is a bear flag. Let's see if he's gonna break it, pushing it down all the way to the bottom, or if it's gonna go all the way back up. We should be selling the market, okay? Focus on selling the market. It's still a bearish market. When the market opens in the next few minutes, we might see some fun stuff happening. For those who are in the VIP, I will release the latest of the latest of the latest of the latest release for Bill and Ted. And also, well, let's do this slowly because it's actually quite a lot. I want to release first Bill and Ted, and then tomorrow the wave sync with the latest updates, okay? Because if I gave you everything at once, you guys are gonna go crazy. There's a lot. Even I'm going crazy, so you can't imagine. But I'm very happy with what I see so far, and I'm trying to eliminate all this configuration side of things for Bill and Ted and make it super simple so you guys don't go crazy. Because I know I want to make it very like open that people can like tweak it and doing stuff, but sometimes that could be a headache for many people, so I'm just simplifying it. And yeah, anyways, I'll give it to you guys this afternoon. All right, we need addition numbers. That's a great idea. Can you elaborate on that, Wayana? What do you mean addition number? Oh, like talking about the sessions here? Basic is working good on that. Well, to me, it's working very good on everything. But you might have a very different version than mine. Bill and Ted is actually extremely upgraded right now. Actually, I had to like go back to the original one. I went back to the original one because I included a few other things that I talked to a very good friend, and yeah, it's really good now. But I'll give you guys those binaries. So the old one, you guys can delete it if you want, but the new ones will be different. Going back to the original name that I had, because again, I tried to make it different because, okay, when I coded this thing originally, I called it Bill and Ted. It had the original code on it. But when I started making some changes to it, I didn't want to override the original code, so I call it liquidity hunt. But now, because I went back to the original one, it's bill and tab. So it has like a pretty solid base, and that's what I wanted to use. And yeah, actually I can show it to you guys here. There's nothing running right now, but that was the original one. That's bill, that's that, and it's just waiting right now to execute a trade. Is you looking at all the strategies in a scoring system here? It's just ready, getting ready. It truly killed the market last night. I can show you some of the stuff here. Let me see. Hold on. I know that this screen here is not too large. Oh man, I have like no strength right now. You know when somebody like punch in the stomach and like just takes all the air out? That's how I feel. I wake up and I got a punch in the stomach. Oh man, look at that. So those are the numbers. So right there, right there. But it's been pretty good. I'm very happy with what I see. This account is only $700 away for getting funded. And this is different. This is not like Take Profit Trader. This is funded next, and they're pretty solid. They don't have a trading drawdown, none of that stuff. And this is all done with automation, which is really good. But anyways, Coinbase is down too. Oh, don't tell me that, please. Oh my God, Coinbase is down. No. Let's see. Coinbase. Oh no, it's down. Please unblock challenges. Cloudflare, come to proceed. Jesus. All right. Bitcoin at 91. Wow. Oh man, can somebody pinch me? I hope I'm sleeping. Wake up, oh my God, this was just a name. Come on, Take Profit Trader. Anyways, I'm not gonna cry a river for this. I should, but I won't. So we got this. We're just waiting for NAS to break that. I'm gonna just trade other accounts that I have. As a matter of fact, top step. That's why you have to have your eggs in multiple baskets. You just never know. There you go. You just never know. So this one is working and we're gonna trade. Alright, just waiting. Let me prepare my contracts. Okay, so we're good. All right, let's do it. All right, family. You guys have any questions by any chance? Maybe it's a day to be with your family while the power is to get it all sorted out. I'm good. I'm just drained out. You know, it doesn't matter. And I know I feel really sad because I was with all these accounts for such a long time, and you know, we're drawing like 18, 25, 15, 10Ks a day. It is a big deal. So it's gonna cost me some money to bring it back, maybe $3 grand, but I don't know. I'll do it. but I'm gonna do it the right way. So I'm not gonna put it all in like buy all this account and do it at once. I'm gonna buy 4 accounts, all right, and I'm just gonna slowly do it back. Okay, you guys will see it. I'll do it live with you guys, how to get back on track with Take Profit Trader, you know, and bring it back up. That snowball effect that I create of starting slow, then going and building up large accounts. So I'll do that with you guys. Maybe it's a good thing that this happens because then you guys can see it. It happened 5-6 months ago. I got a big problem and I started again, and you know, it was rolling. But I was not expecting to see this happening today. And yeah, you know, I have many friends that take profit trader, and one of the things that they say is always to bulk up. So in other words, to not withdraw daily. So what they recommend is to withdraw maybe like once a month, but to build a very solid base on the accounts, like 3-4 times the buffer, to prevent these situations. Because I truly only lost like 4,500 bucks on it, because I'm always keeping it on the edge every single day. Like all these accounts, I never. Thing is, I don't trust prop firms. I really don't, especially for situations like this. I know it's not a big deal. It has nothing to do with them. It's Cloudflare. But I already had a really bad experience before with prop firms, you know, and from that I learned my lesson, saying, you know what, I'm not gonna keep cash on these accounts because you just never know. So every time I make money, I withdraw daily, especially because Take Profit Trader, you can withdraw daily, and that's why I went 100% with them. And now I'm opening accounts with other brokers that they pay twice a month, you know, but they're good. I'm okay with that as long as they pay. But I'm not gonna be doing large transactions on these other accounts because then it's my time, it's money, and I just don't want to get surprises. And this surprise I got this morning, I mean, I'm only happy that all my money got withdrawn on Sunday, which I was super concerned, extremely concerned that the money was not rolling daily again. But I think that's the only positive thing that I got out of this whole scenario that happened this morning. I feel in peace that at least the money's in my account and I'm good. But it's starting again, it's like, oh, it just takes time, a long time. That's the only bad thing. But anyways, let's make some money, family. We're here to make money. So I am going to be selling the market on a pullback. I want to see this pulling back at least back to the daily VWAP, and this thing breaking, because this will be the target for today. I want to show it to you guys here, at least this here. There, you guys know whenever I put this, that's where the price goes. At least here, it should come at least here today, or even lower, even much lower. It's very clean setup that will eventually happen, and it can come here and then bounce back up, but we will see. And it's all about liquidity, liquidity was here, Asia, boom, London didn't expand at all, so consolidation. You need to go at least back to Asia. Double bottom already happening here. Triple bottom, maybe. But I want to sell the market, pushing it here, pushing it there. But I want to do it on a pullback, all right? We got 6 minutes to open. 6 minutes for the market to open. Take Profit Trader came back up. It is TradeOvate. It's okay. You can trade with TradeOvate. Oh yes, it came back up. Ooh, right. Oof. Oh. What? Wait a minute. Okay. Oh man. All right. Well, let's do it. Let's reset all these accounts. No, let's buy these accounts. I cannot reset accounts. Okay. Oh man. One. I'm gonna buy 4 accounts. First, I'm gonna buy 4 accounts. So 1. I got 5 minutes. Oh man, 4 accounts. And why 4? Because I like to leave a space for 150K account. I'm gonna buy 150K account to have 5 accounts on this user account. So 1. Okay, number 2. Well, it is working. It's back up. 2, 3. I just bought 2 accounts. Oh, where is this? 3, and let's wait. Let's see. They all say pending. 3 and 4. Last one. 4 accounts of 150K. Oh my god, what a mess. And let's see if they are okay. Okay, so take profit trader. No. Got 3 minutes. Take profittrader.com. No, I tried over it. Everything is back up. I'm not gonna do my external copy trader. I have to do it internally first. I'll do it with you guys here so you guys can see what I'm doing. It's loading. Oh, there you go. 4 accounts of 150K. So manage groups, and I'm gonna create a new group. This is my king. Alright. Let's go. Copy trader. Let's go. That's an internal copy trader, not my external one. Alright, so I'm back in the game, and I gotta change that to 20. Why 20 contract? That's 5 contract per account. Yeah, that's fine. For 150K, that's exactly what I want. Alright, so we're good. Oop. I gotta move this so I can put it on the other side. Alright, familia, we're back in the game. We got here alright, remember I want to sell the market, and we are ready to go. Familia, I'm not gonna look back, I'm not gonna complain, we're just gonna do it. Hello, Jennifer. We are back. The take profit trader came back up. We got market open. All right, let's do it. Wildfire. Wow, it is truly wildfire. You gotta be careful, okay? You have to be really careful what the market is doing. It's cranking up hard. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, so anybody selling with me? Anybody selling with me? Anybody? Oh man, oh crap. Here we go. Anybody selling with me? As I said, I wanted to sell the market on the top. Let's go. Let's go. Selling the market. Came to my entry point. Anybody selling? Anybody selling? Anybody selling? As I said, I gave it to you guys on the screen. Right? Oh man, this was just too fast, too furious. I'm up 1,200 bucks. Too fast, too furious. Familia, if you guys didn't take it. I gave you the game plan before we started, right? Gave you the game plan. I hope you guys got it. All right, I'm out and about. That's how we roll, familia. That's how we roll. That the market kicked me out. Wow. The market kicked me out, but I am done. Wow. What is this? The market completely kicked me out. What is this going? Okay, lots of volatility. I like it. I like it. All right, so you want to be crazy with me? Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy. The market wants to go crazy with me. Let's go crazy. Okay, so all right. Extremely overbought. Lots of volatility kicking in. Doing a little bit of a pullback there. So I will be doing impact trading on the top. On the top, we'll be doing impact trading to sell if it does come back up. Wow, this is a wild Tuesday. Just watch for those traps, okay? Watch for those traps, family. Wow. This is wild. Oh my goodness, what a crazy pullback. This is an insane pullback. Wow. I'm up by 2,255, but I gotta wait for the next. And this is with the take profit trader accounts. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm also trading my CFDs account. Eesh. It's going down hard. My goodness, what's going on? I mean, I like this volatility. I haven't seen this for such a long time. Yep, it is coming down for sure. Back into the middle point, liquidating everyone. Kind of doesn't know where it wants to go now. It looks like it does know. Huh. Oh yes, what is this doing? Is it gonna go up or is it gonna go down? It's in the middle point and it's hitting the VWAP. I am not trading on the middle point. I only, oof. Oh my god. And Bill and Ted is taking trades already. Wow. Bill and Ted took some trades as well on its own. It's only $300 away from passing the account. I am not doing anything yet. As I said, I want to sell on the top. Slowly. My goodness. Wow. Wildfire here. Bill and Ted is looking at the market and making decisions on trades like crazy. I can't even think that fast. And sorry family, I'm not reading the chat. I have 4 screens right now looking at different things. My eyes are like a, you know, like a fish. Literally, I have like a fish looking the entire, like, oh my god, I'm going crazy. Okay. Again, I want to sell on the top, but Bill and Ted is taking trades. It's looking at things that I can't even see. Back into the middle point, and when I say middle point in this screen here, look at this. You see how like a lot of transactions are happening in this area? Every time it goes to that, you have 50-50 chances that the market can either go down or go up. So I'm not trading this session, but Bill and Ted is. I'm only selling or buying the extremes. If you are in the middle point, do not trade. I'm only 2,250 bucks up. And that money was made when the market went down and then went back up to push me on the trailing stop. Because this account is to be funded, I cannot make more than 4,500. Not in one day. Even the number I have, it should be okay because I have 5 days to make 9,000 bucks. So. What in the world is this market doing right now? My Lord, have some mercy. have some mercy on us. Jesus. Oof. It's coming down hard. I'm looking at Bill and Ted, because this thing is going like crazy. Wow. Bill and Ted just got the account funded. My God, what? He got the account funded already, made 4,000 bucks. Wow. That is brutal. Look at that, guys. Got funded. 4,000 bucks. The bot did it itself. I didn't do anything. I was just looking. Now on Take Profit Trader, it's not getting to the areas that I want to buy or sell. It's just that the bot, I got in a strategy for that type of market when it's consolidating at that level, and the bot, which is like taking all these trades, and I was $300 away, and it did more than 300. It did almost 500, and I had to stop it. Okay, I had to disable the bot because I don't want to make more money on that. I gotta now log in into Funded next. Let's see what they say. I think it's end of day. Funded next. Wow. Well, whoopie-doo. Scooby-Doo, where are you? I am good. Okay, let's see. All right, pass. Boom. Okay, so I'll show you guys here. Funded next. That's my dashboard. So they got it passed everything. So profit target 4,000 passed. Minimum trading day pass. That was the bot. Pass the funded account. That's pretty good. Alright, so let's wait for an email from them, and then let's move on. Right now, Familia is back into the area. As I said, it's gonna come to the X. It did come very close by, then push the market back up. I love this wildfire. Okay, let me go back to Take Profit Trader, Tradeovate accounts, because on that one I can only make 4,000 bucks. And again, now it went off the stream, like it went out away from this. If I'm gonna buy the market from this point, it needs to be step lot, because I will be trading against the market. If I'm gonna go with the market, I gotta sell the market, right? This was my trade I wanted to make, like selling here, never came back up, but I can buy the market, just much lower lot sizes. And SP 500 is fighting the area very strong, so there's a high chance that this thing can push back to the upside. Now if SP 500 pushes lower, it's end of the game, because this thing is gonna just collapse. Wow. There you go, Familia. Anybody bought this? Anybody buy? I bought the market. Again, step lot, buying the market. Anybody with me? Anybody with me on this buy? All right, let's go. Making money, making money. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Pushing the market back up. And I am going to be locking profits right now. Wow, 2,580 bucks. Jesus. And I am out. It kicked me out on trailing stop. I'll just show you guys here what's going on. Sorry, just that I'm looking at my screen. You see here? That's my PL right now, 2,580. Let's go, familia. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I hope you guys are taking the trades that I'm asking you guys here. Let's go, familia. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's make some money. Wayone says it turned out to be a great day. You know, even after a terrible day, it's up to us to make it a great day. And as I said, Jesus is under control, my friends. He has the will of my life. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, it's growing. Holy moly. I'm waiting again. I got out of the buy. I'm not buying anymore. Too much selling power right now. Oh, I forgot about my Top Steps account. I should be trading those too. All right, seems okay. Let me bring a Top Step. Put it somewhere here on the side. Jesus Christ.
Order filled.
All right. Jesus is my King. I want to buy there too, but all right, you know what? I'm gonna buy the market again, just slow, like very slow. I'm buying the market. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, Dios. The market is moving wild, like wildfire. Okay. If it goes back into this 50% or somewhere nearby this area here, prepare to sell, okay? Oh, boom. There you go. Whenever I put that X Familia, the price just goes like right in it. Boom! Like a hammer. If it does a pullback, I'm gonna sell again. I'm only, wow, I'm up by $3,180 now. My God, what is going on? Top step, I'm only up by $208. let's see. Again, I mean, if I want, I can stop right now because I mean, $3,180 in one day is pretty good. That's per account because I'm doing copy trading on internal to try to trade. Aggressive sellers are in the house. I will be selling again only on the pullback. The pullback I don't want to see it's here. If the price goes somewhere around here, I will be selling. Somewhere around the neighborhood there. Alright, is trying to go down again. I will be selling. Ooh. Come on, go up. Don't leave me behind. Oh man, the train is gonna leave me behind again. Come on, Scooby-Doo. Don't chicken out. Angie, you said, I thought we were waiting for it to get to the yellow circle. That's where when we started at the beginning, I said that's where the price was gonna go, like going down, right? That's where it went, and I went already there, and I said to buy the market already did the pull, and we bought the market. It doesn't mean that every time goes there you gotta buy, right? It already did the move, so it's done, like done. So now we gotta now follow what the price is doing. All right, it's not like every time it goes there you're gonna buy. No, it's already did the move. Look, it went down, oh, bought the market, pushed the market all the way up there, done. And it's all about liquidity. And I said if it goes back up by any chance, because it's gonna probably test this a few times, if it goes back up to the yellow line here, I will be selling. This yellow line here, I will be selling. I put it here, the line where I'm expecting to have another trade to sell the market. But it's still not happening. It is going to slow down a little bit. Volatility is going to slow down. Looking at the bigger picture here, let's see. New York needs to expand. New York need to expand, and this is the C pattern. This is why I'm selling. This is why I want to focus in the selling part, because of the C pattern that we're following. Oh, I took a trade higher than that around here, yes. Like when this thing went all the way up, I wanted to sell here first. The price never went back there. So what I did, as the price was coming down and went down here, I bought the market, because that's what I did the first one. I bought the market, went all the way up there, right? And selling the market down. I know there's like 20 seconds behind too. There's a little bit off on YouTube. But I'm giving you the game plan before I actually execute it. Some of them happen, some of them don't. Right now I'm not doing anything because again, my game plan is to sell at the yellow line. If it doesn't go there, I'm not trading it. The bot passed. Oh man, I'm so happy with that. The bot already passed one of the accounts. I have 2 accounts of them. And it's not coming back. Oh man. It's okay. If it doesn't come back down, it's okay. I mean, by Monday next week, that account should be funded. This account should be funded. And I'm not touching the external copy trader since Cloudflare is already having problems. Wow. What is this thing doing? ES 500 is going down hard, really hard. Oh, let me see. ES 500 went down too hard. Okay, let me look at something different here. That's a very low point of NAS right now. It should go back at some point. So London and New York are expanding for some time. Wow. Okay. 1 minute time frame. It's going back up a little bit. I'm gonna delete this. No longer good. Okay. It is still dropping. That was a good sell there. If it goes back here, because the trend is moving, it's truly leaving me behind. So I'm gonna be selling here, around here. I need a drastic pullback. Drastic pullback. I will be selling here. I need to follow the bear flags. No, I don't see them. Ah, now we gotta wait. I can only make $1,000. No, I can only make 1,300 bucks. Then I have to stop for the day and switch accounts. I have a few more accounts to trade. I will be trading all day, all day, all day, non-stop. All day. Angie, what's up? Wyana, how are you? How's Quentin? How's your trading experience? Everything good? Let us know how we can help. Okay. Guys, also remember this is an entire community effort. So if there's ways that I can improve to do things for you guys, like even like giving you guys the signals or where to get in or out, just let me know, and I can accommodate what I'm doing to make sure that you guys are understanding and even taking the trade that I'm taking. Because remember, there's a 20 seconds delay too on YouTube. And that's why before I start trading, I gave you guys my game plan, like what I'm gonna do, and then I just follow. But if you guys say, okay, well, maybe if you let us know, like here, and then we all, like, you know what I mean? Like if you guys think of a better idea, I'm more than open to like do it. All right, because again, this is a team effort. It's not just me. We all want to win. We all want to learn and grow together. All right. This is not the Luisito show. The Luisito show happened long ago. Like I don't care about like all this stuff. Like I just lost all my accounts and I'm gonna get them back up in front of you guys. Like I'm gonna show you how it's done. I have to be patient. I can't be jumping on anything right now. Already up by 3,000 bucks. And the bot passing account. I mean, I have my other accounts, but I don't trade them unless I see something extremely good. And those accounts, I only need to do a very small push to make a ton of profit. So I'd rather trade prop firms. Can you imagine if I lost all that money, like for real, like today? I would be crying like a kid. But again, these are prop firms. I don't care. It's not even real money. That's the beautiful. And the market is collapsing. I mean, I'm missing out so much right now. It's just the market is not giving me what I'm looking for. I cannot just get desperate about that. If it's moving in a direction and I am not seeing what I want to see, I don't trade it. I don't trade it. I simply don't trade it. Don't feel the need of trade because, oh my God, I have to trade. It's my time. I'm wasting my time if I'm sitting here. Well, you're not wasting your time. You're learning. You're sharing experiences, growing. So it's not all about trading, okay? Why did I say I was gonna sell if it's gonna go up there? It's not going there. I'm not selling. Bye bye. But price good. I see you tomorrow. I mean, I don't care. Tomorrow will be another day. But if I start forcing trades where they are not, I'm gonna be preparing to lose. Alright, so don't force trades, my friend. Always have a game plan to enter and exit every trade. And if it doesn't happen, be okay with it. I'm not trading only because I already made 3,000 bucks. I am not trading because I'm not seeing the setup I'm looking for. Maybe somebody else is seeing it. Somebody else out there saying, I'm jumping on it. I don't care. If it does a pullback, I'm out with, I don't know, 200 bucks. Hey, that's your game plan. Amazing. Not mine. Even all this stuff that I showed Bill and Ted to trade. While the market was doing that craziness, Bill and Ted were taking trades. I couldn't think that fast to see what the bot was seeing. Maybe later I can analyze and be okay. I see what it was doing, but that's the beauty of automation. Like it was doing all this crazy stuff, and I couldn't even figure it out. And it did pass the account. I'm happy for that. So I will wait. Actually, you know what? I don't even know if they actually send me an email. Let me see. Not yet. Nothing. Maybe end of the day today. Maybe. But the train is leaving me behind for sure. And it's only 10:05. I mean, 10:05. 10:05. But please, familia, again, if you guys know about any other way that I can do this better for you guys to take trades, let me know. Let's talk about it. Be like, Luis, I think it's a great idea if you, for example, I'm not saying I'm gonna do that, highlight the price on it, or like put a line here, a line there, and a line there. Then we all know exactly what you're gonna do. Maybe if that works, I don't know. Think about it for a minute. That's if you guys want to make the same amount of money I make, like on the same trades and everything. The other part that happens is the market is very dynamic. And then what I like to do is provide you guys with information where liquidity sits and what the kind of trades that I'll be looking for. And let you guys determine what is your risk and what is your stop loss. Right? Because like if you're taking the same risk and stop losses that I have, you should have the same account sizes, right? But you guys don't. So, Anshet, I like your spirit. I'm having trouble with my Ford account and I didn't trade them at all at the same time. No, don't trade them at the same time. You saw how I prepare my copy trader, right? Inside TraderVate. The problem that I notice a lot of people have with that is knowing what kind of contract to put in when there's like now 4 accounts, right? And what you have to do is divide. You have 4 accounts and you know that you only can trade 2 contracts per account, then you put 8, and that will be 8 divided by 4, 2, right? 2 per account. That's how they do it in there. I notice, for example, a top step is different. You just do whatever on one and it replicates on the other. You don't need to be like doing all this craziness with contracts. But anyway, the market is doing a little bit of a pullback. Ooh, my goodness. I wasn't looking at my screen. It's doing a very nice pullback. Very nice. And that's because SP 500 is going back up a little. Starting from the bottom, now we're here. There we go. Oh my god. Oof, oof, oof. What is this? Wow, it's going back up hard. Back up really hard. Now, let's see. I think it might go down. Inducement of price is telling me that it might come all the way up here. I will be selling here. I'm moving my line here. I will be selling on the top, on that yellow line, okay? I kind of want to fall down now. Oh man. Alright, let's go. It's coming. Oh man, come on, by a hair. Quentin, where are you, my friend? My God, are you serious? Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. You see that, familia? Sometimes you prepare yourself for a very good setup and you miss it by a hair. Don't get disappointed by that. It happens quite a lot. Already came to nearby the area and didn't even bother to come to the entry that I wanted. My goodness. Ay, 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 Dios mío. Quentin was dreaming with a girl. Oh my God. I hope it's the only one girl that you have to dream about. Quentin. Oh my goodness. Familia, I missed that trade. You guys see it here, right? It literally came by a hair to my entry. I had a pending order, didn't even execute. I'm literally just waiting for my trade to come and so I can trade this thing. Oh Jesus, Jesus is a king. Jesus is our Lord. You know, even when you're having a bad day, a terrible day, remember that Jesus has the wheel of your life. He has control of everything, okay? You leave it up to him, you know. You know, the devil is beating you up with two hands. Dun, 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 dun. And you're like, huh, don't worry about it. I don't even feel the punches. God is under control. Let's go. Going back up. Let's go, familia. I'm waiting. Hey, I'm waiting. I am waiting. I'm going to get back up and rock and roll. What account? Tony, no, your account is not gone. I didn't touch your account. So your account is not gone. Your account is okay. I will be touching your account as when everything is smooth out, okay? Because I don't want to like that one. I don't want to ruin. Going back up. Really hard to say where the market is moving. Like the way it's moving, it's doing now a flag, another flag. Really hard to say where the market is moving, not under these conditions. It's truly falling down hard. Just waiting for an opportunity from Elliott. Opportunities. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Can't believe my eyes. This market is going everywhere right now. You could be deep in profits and then not be in profits at all. If you just I think it might come back up to this area here. Might be selling here. Okay, I'm gonna move this down over here. Selling where the line, blue line is. The yellow line is. High volatility. Wow. You guys selling? I'm selling there. You guys selling? Got to the yellow line. Okay? I am selling there. It got right into the yellow line. Oh, Jesus, no. It's going back up now. Oh. Ah, come on. That was a very drastic move. That, please go down. No. Nope. I'm out, by the way. I hit a stop loss there. I hit a deep stop loss. Deep stop loss. The price decided to go back up and got me on a stop loss. Because where do I put my stop loss is obviously above the highs. It just went right on it. And that got me in. So I'm down $1,200 after being out by 3,000. You guys see the price just decided to go up super high. And volatility is down. But I will be trading non-stop. I gotta bring this account back up. No excuses. Computer is acting up super slow. I am selling the market there.
Order filled.
Volatility is dying slow. Market is trying to recover, but I don't think that will be 100% the case. Bitcoin shooting back up. That's probably why. Oof. Just waiting. The price is just slowly going back up. This market is wild right now. It's going up, it's going down, it's going all over the place. All right, familia, I'm gonna take a little break because it's not doing well. It's going all over the place. So I'll go back to you guys in the afternoon, okay, familia? I will see you guys again tomorrow. God bless. Take care, my friends.